it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do us to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious noodles. So guys, let's jump right in. That's it guys. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.